being with her for 5 years and how the company has evolved, how a lot of people are actually having better lives because of what she's doing. You know, it makes me feel proud about, you know, being an ambassador of Beauty Derm. And yeah, so I'm just really happy that she chose me. Sarap kasi ramdam mo yung family, you know, the sense of family here in Beauty Derm.
Mas lumalim na ba yung closeness?
Oh, after 5 years, oh, nakakatuwa ka kasi it always grows. It keeps on growing, and you see how the family is growing as well. So nakakatuwa because you're growing with the company. Talagang napalapit na sa'yo. Si Miss Rhea is always present. She's always there to give us support, especially sa mga iba-iba na mga racket games. So nakakatuwa because it goes beyond work.
What's the best thing about Beauty Derm brand?
Marami ka mapagpipilian. Ang dami siyang essentials na masasabi mo talaga na pag may kailangan ka sa Beauty Derm ka lang pupunta. So ako, trusted brand ko talaga siya because yung mga kailangan ko kung paano ako Beauty Derm. Ano yung nagawang ka Beauty Derm?
Ano yung favorite mo?
Siyempre na mawash. I mean, the Ateclair. Yan yung hindi nawawala sa bag natin lagi. Makes you feel confident and at the same time comfortable pag may mga interviews o pag lumalabas ka. So nakakatawa because very useful. Talagang magagamit mo.
How do you stay lifestyle choices?
What's puting buhok? I sleep a lot. I value my health because yun ang puhunan din natin sa trabaho. You always have to look presentable in anything that you do. So I always want to be in tip-top shape, especially kung may mga roles na kailangan ng requirement ng medyo physical, diba? And whatever the role is asking for, kailangan ready ka. So it comes to the job, it comes to the territory para at least na laging okay ka, laging ready.
Ano yung thoughts mo sa PG?
For me, as a guy, you have to embrace it. I mean, at my age, mahirap man tanggapin yung inevitable. Nagkasalamin na rin ako, tapos hindi na. So wala talaga tayong magagawa. It's inevitable for me. I'm embracing it in such a way that I don't celebrate my lines. I don't celebrate yung aging, but I just embrace it because I know it talks about your life, your journey in life, and when I look at myself in the mirror, nakikita ko yung history ko, and I don't want to alter that. Masaya na ako sa kung paano man ako mag-evolve, how I'm aging, hopefully gracefully.
Your reaction, Papa P, na pinupuri ng mga tao yung performance mo sa pamilya sa
Siyempre, nakakatuwa yun because pinaghirapan natin yun and it was a team effort. And one thing I can say about ABS is talagang once they come up with a story, they really go all out. With Dreamscape, I've been a baby on Dreamscape ever since I started until now. So anytime that they need me, anytime there's a new concept, sabi ko, even if I wanted to retire from doing series before, mahirap pumindi. Dahil na po magaganda yung mga nakuha mo roles, especially for Pamilya Sagado. It was first pitch to me. And today you said that I was going to become a president. Tumawa pa ako. So I'm too young for that. Pero naito it, and now I'm watching it every day. So nakakatawa siyang panahon.
Last na sa akin, bumalik na kasi mga empleyado ng ABS sa office.
It only goes to show that, we're doing better. We're doing better. So at least makikita mo na ulit yung spirit of community, lalo na pag nasa opisina ka. Yan ang kailangan natin. And yeah, I mean, that's good news for me. That's good news for us and sa mga employees kasi kailangan talaga natin yung mag-boost yung moral ng bawat isa. So being in an office, gives you that sense of being in a community na kailangan magtrabaho, kailangan tayong makadeliver. So maganda yung nangyayari ng CBS.
How do you stay grounded? Kita mo na bata, matanda, kinikilig sa'yo. Anong tumatakbo sa isip mo pag ganyan?
Trabaho lang eh. You don't bring it home. It's a privilege at the same time because, as an artista, as a celebrity, I guess, kasama yun, maganda yung may pumapansin sa'yo kaysa naman wala, di ba? Baka mamaya mawala na ko ng trabaho. So, it's a great feeling. And nakakahambol kasi syempre sa tagal natin sa industriya, meron pa rin tayong napapasaya kahit sa papaano.
Pero anong reaction mo laging sinasabi ni Ma'am Ray, isa ka sa pinakamabait at pinakamasipag na endorser ng beauty derm?
Kaya hindi siya magsasawang kunin ka lang. Papirmahin ka lang.
Parang siya lang, napakasipag. We always want to evolve, we always want to do something that will make us even bigger and in turn help a lot of people have better lives by providing jobs. And of course, yung mga products nga niya, she keeps on inventing new stuff, she keeps on coming up with new things na talagang tama-tama sa mga consumers natin. So I'm just really happy and grateful to be part of Beauty Derm.
Kapag may nagbigyan ka ng beauty derm para sa pamilya ka natin.
Siyempre, yun lagi kong gamit eh.
Sino ang nabigyan?
Hindi sa set lang eh. So, nabibigyan ko ng Atherclair, yung mouthwash. And then, yung toothpaste ko, yung rin gamit ko.
Sila kaya yan.
Yeah, all of us set kasi siyempre lacking kami. So, I give out yung
Beauty derm products.
Ano masasabi mo about, of course, Kyle and saka si Gray?
Yung dalawang yun, of course, ang sarap nilang ka-eksena because binibigay talaga nila yung best nila. Bago yung attitude, yung willingness to learn and to think out of the box and just listen and just be open. Kaya I guess nag-enjoy kami sa process namin because everyone was just really excited to bring in their A game and at the same time to perform on the best of their abilities. And I've seen how Kyle and Gray have grown, just by watching them from the time that we started. After 6 months, nakita ko talaga how they evolved and how they transformed into their characters. Nakakabilib talaga. Nakakabilib.
Do you see your younger self in them?
I see myself in Inigo.
Of course.
Whenever I see him, I see myself so much in him. And all the mannerisms, although how he is, nakikita ko talaga yung sarili ko. Sa Kid Gray, nakikita ko yung sarili ko pag may mga angulo rin, di ba? Kasi Kyle masyado mestizo, tsaka matangkad para sa akin. So, siguro nagmana sa nanay.
Parang kayo ni Johnny Gray, di
Kaya
ba?
nakakatawa kasi kami ni Mikey sa bahay, talagang grabe yung mga eksena namin tatlong pamilya. So talagang para kaming pamilya lagi nagsasalpukan.
Lalo na yung revelation nun, di ba?
Tapos question na raw sa amin mismo.
Ay, ako.
Hindi ka ba sa ano? Manila Princess ka?
And I think magdadabing na lang ako kasi
I finished na.
shooting The Kingdom with the
Bossing Big.
with APT and Media Quest and MZ. So it's gonna be a visual treat para sa mga manonood kasi talagang first time nag-drama si Bossing. It's an epic drama and maganda yung production value. So I'm really, really excited for December 25 kasi hindi lang naman yung pelikula, we're also celebrating the 50 years and like that. So we're all excited and really grateful na nakasama pa rin ako sa
Sabi ko,
Nag-comedy ka rin dyan?
Ayun.
it's a drama. It's an epic drama, something new that you haven't seen Bossing Distorted ever.
Last na lang po. How was it working with Bossing?
Siyempre nauna, nakaka-intimidate because pinapanood mo lang yan eh. Kaya akong big soccer fan, lahat ng mga peligro sa Film Fest, pinapanood ko eh. Siyempre nanginginig ako, nauutal ako ng una, pero kailangan mong panindigan eh. Pero siyempre may fan mentality ka pa rin kasi big soccer yan eh. So, nakakatuwa lang because parang I was telling my mom, Mami, grabe kayo sa si Bossing, nakakataba ng puso, umabot ka sa punto na yun, you get to act alongside an icon. And marami din ako natututunan in terms of discipline and how he is with people. So, pangarap yun sa akin, pangarap sa kanya.
Question, ano masabi namin sa mga pictorial mo? Yung sa beauty derm, may billboard ba?
Of course, I think Miss Rhea naman spends so much on
Billboard.
mga palabras.
We nasa billboard niya for 5 years.
Correct. Yeah. So, something mo naman. Maybe buti naman ako ngayon. Pero every year, nag-iiba-iba naman.
Ipapatayo na doon agad bukas.
Na-approve na.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Salamat.
Thank you. Thank you.